I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Jessica.
And we're here to show you that it's all yoga.
It's all yoga.
So we want to start just by showing you our physical traits. Believe it or not, Jessica and I are the same height. However, when you look at our bodies, you can realize none of our limbs are all the same. Yet, we are more than capable of getting into yoga postures, and that's what we really want to share with you today.
So, we have Jack, all leg and arms. We have me, I'm all torso. But when we get into a pose, you're going to see it's all yoga.
So we're going to step to the mat and we're going to show you what we got. Into a staff pose, which may look different from one person to the next depending on the length of your limbs. So while you are sitting with a straight spine, your legs are actively engaged, even your heels may be lifting up on the floor, you may notice that maybe your hands don't reach, and that's okay. Bring the ground up to you. Maybe use some blocks for you to get into your staff pose here. From here, you can go ahead and take your hands overhead. And if you wish, you can exhale, falling forward over your legs.
This pose is actually great for all chakras, and it is the pose of alignment. So you can see here, every time we inhale, we're thinking about elongating that spine, crown towards the sky. And the oil we've picked here is a doTERRA blend called Align. And this is for the middle chakra. So I would actually apply this to the entire stomach and the heart, and then think about getting into this pose. And just yet again, since we're talking about it's all yoga, notice Jack has long arms, she's touching the ground. I have a long torso, my hands are not anywhere near the ground. So we just added blocks so that I can really feel that beautiful alignment in my spine. Thank you for coming.